Hey everyone, this video is your fast-track roadmap for CELPIP. I am going to break it down day by day so you know exactly what to study, how to fix mistakes, and how to walk into the test calm and confident. Let's jump in. Day 1 is your diagnose and prioritize day. This is your reality check. Today is all about honesty. Take at least 2 full mock tests under real-timed conditions. Use official free samples or a simulator. Score everything: listening, reading, writing, and speaking. Then pinpoint your gaps. Maybe your listening and reading are already at 11 or 12, but your writing is at 8 and your speaking is at 9. Or maybe all 4 modules need improvement. Ask yourself which skill feels most uncomfortable and which task types keep costing you points. Write down your current levels and your target score. If everything needs work, rank the skills by personal difficulty and start with the toughest. This one step tells you exactly where to focus for the rest of the week. Days 2 through 4 are your intensive fix days. These 3 days are a full attack on your weakest skills. Put about 70 to 80% of your study time here. If listening is weak, practice note-taking hard. Divide your page for speakers and jot only key details like who, what, when, why, and opinions. Train yourself to catch inference questions by listening for attitude and implied meaning. If reading is weak, stop reading like a novel. Skim for the main idea first, then scan for specific details. Work on vocabulary in context. If you see an unfamiliar word, do not panic. Use the surrounding sentences to figure out the meaning. If writing is weak, stick to a proven structure every time. For the email, use a clear greeting, state the purpose immediately, then write 2 or 3 focused reasons with examples, and finish with a polite closing. For the survey or opinion response, state your position clearly. Give your first reason with detail. Give your second reason with detail. Mention the other side briefly and explain why your side is stronger, then finish with a strong conclusion. Aim for 1 clear idea per sentence and stay in the 150 to 200 word range. Upgrade simple connectors by using words like furthermore, moreover, and however. Keep your language natural and realistic. If speaking is weak, record yourself every day on tasks 1 through 8. Use a timer strictly. Focus on fluency first so you do not freeze or stop. Then add range with natural phrasing, idioms, and phrasal verbs, but only if you can use them correctly. Practice giving advice, describing scenes, and expressing opinions in a clear structure. After every practice session, review your mistakes deeply. Ask why you got it wrong, look for patterns. Fix the method, not just the answer. Repeating the same practice without changing your approach will not improve your score. If you can, get human feedback on writing and speaking because structure, vocabulary depth, and realism matter a lot, and automated feedback often misses the nuance. Days 5 and 6 are your strengthen and balance days. Now you shift gears and polish your full test performance. Do 2 or 3 complete mock tests with all 4 skills back to back, timed exactly like the real exam. Track your scores and aim for consistency at or above your target. At this point, you do not need massive jumps. Stability is what wins. Review lightly and reinforce what is already working. Keep your weaknesses alive with short, focused drills, but spend more time building stamina. CELPIP is a marathon. Simulate test day by using a quiet space, a headset, and the same timing rules with no extra breaks. Confidence comes from seeing balanced results across all 4 skills. Day 7 is your smart rest day. No heavy practice today. A rested brain recalls better, focuses sharper, and feels less anxious. And that is critical for speaking and writing. Get at least 8 hours of sleep. Eat clean, light meals. Do a gentle review by looking at your writing structures, key phrases, and a few high-value reminders. Visualize yourself completing each task smoothly. Picture opening your results and celebrating. Then relax. Take a walk, stretch, and do something you enjoy. Trust the work you did this week. CELPIP rewards balance, so do not let one weak skill drag down everything. Human feedback is a huge advantage for writing and speaking. Simple, clear, natural English beats fancy English with mistakes. You've got this. 1 focused week can change everything. Good luck on test day. Drop your target score in the comments, and I will cheer you on. See you in the next video. Take care.